Hey, what's up? We started ERPNow because managing a global supply chain shouldn't feel like a 24/7 game of find the needle in the data haystack. You know the drill. E-commerce returns that don't match the warehouse logs, mystery inventory spikes in manufacturing, and manual logistics reports that are already outdated by the time you hit send. Hours and millions of dollars disappear into data cleanup and firefighting across your industrial operations. That's why we built ERPNow. Today, we're launching the AI Supply Chain Specialist that turns operational chaos into clean, cited, and actionable insights. ERPNow is like a Roomba with a PhD for your operations. It sits on top of your existing ERP, no replacement needed. It cleans up schemas, repair broken dates, fix formatting, writing SQL and Python, run transformations, and even browse the internet. For example, tell it, download this 50-page insurance rate PDF, then turn it into Excel tables and convert them into a format with the following columns: region, name, age, and price. Energint fetches the PDF, extracts, and normalizes the tables, maps regions, validates ages, standardizes currency, and generates the Excel with exactly those columns. Most importantly, it logs every step, from PDF parsing rules to post-processing code. ERPNow doesn't stop at cleaning. It reasons. It can detect a supplier delay or a demand spike in minutes, work that used to take analysts weeks. We're helping teams go live in weeks, not quarters, and cutting manual reporting by 90%. Stop firefighting. Start scaling. Start today at app.erpnow.io because your supply chain should be as smart as the people running it.